Snacks for weight loss. 15 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. Losing pounds is certainly not an easy task and demands a calorie deficit diet. Eating a calorie deficit diet does not mean you have to give up snacking, you just have to change it into healthy snacking. Healthy snacks keep your energy up and also helps you to prevent blood sugar swings that can lead to cravings for empty calorie snacks. In today's video, we will share with you 15 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. Number 1. Crispy turmeric chickpeas. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, protein, and folate. You can replace your salty, unhealthy snacks with roasted chickpeas. Because of the macro-rich nutrients present in it, they help you to achieve the feeling of satiety. They are easy to make, and you can store them in an airtight container for later use. Wash chickpeas thoroughly and let them dry. Once they are dry, coat them with a mixture of olive oil, turmeric powder, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, black pepper, and put them in a preheated oven. Take them out when they have a beautiful brownish color and crispy texture. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Mixed nuts. Nuts are not only delicious and satisfying to your taste buds, but also contain a high amount of fiber and protein. High fiber and protein content fill you up for a long time, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. You also get a bunch of antioxidants by eating nuts. Antioxidants help you to protect your body against diseases and make your immunity strong. You can find them at any store at an affordable price. You can enjoy this healthy and delicious snack without wasting any time, money, or effort. Number 3. Air-popped popcorn. Popcorns are really healthy snacks and contain a lot of fiber as it is whole grain. What makes them unhealthy is how you are consuming them. Adding oil, sodium, chemicals, flavorings, and preservatives can make them less healthy, but if cooked correctly, they can be a high-nutrient, low-calorie, dense snack and give you many benefits. For making healthy air-popped popcorn, you need kernels and a hot air popper. If an air popper is not available, you can still make them easily on the stovetop. You just need a non-stick pot and lid to make them. Number 4. Fruit and nut granola bars. They are super healthy and you can carry them with you anywhere. It contains healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, which make them ideal snack material. You can easily make them at home or get them from any store. When buying from the store, do not forget to read the label and know what ingredients you are taking inside your body. Choose products that contain less added sugar and more whole ingredients like oats, seeds, and nuts. Number 5. Peanut butter stuffed dates. When you are craving sweets, choose stuffed dates with peanut butter. They are delicious, sweet, and easy to make and healthy. They provide you with a high amount of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. To make this healthy snack, you have to cut the dates in half and remove the pit. Take a spoonful of peanut butter and stuff dates with it. You can also use almond butter instead of peanut butter, according to your taste. Add a topping of chia seeds to make them more nutritious. Number 6. Baked kale chips. Kale contains a high amount of vitamin A, B, K, fiber, antioxidants, and calcium. After getting baked, kale does not lose its vitamins and antioxidant content. It can be an ideal snack to provide you healthy nutrients and satisfy your taste buds. You can make them in your oven by cutting and washing kale leaves, drying them, brushing them with olive oil, and sprinkling some salt. When buying kale chips from the store, you should read the label thoroughly to check the sodium and fat content inside it. Number 7. Cucumber hummus bites. Hummus is a good source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. When combined with cucumber, it can be a healthy snack. To make this yummy snack, cut the cucumber into slices and top it with hummus. Sprinkle it with your favorite spices. It is a perfect snack on hot summer days and completely vegan. You can add sun-dried tomatoes or seeds to increase flavor and nutrition. High protein and fiber fill you up for a long time. Number 8. Vanilla chia pudding. Chia pudding can go well with your keto diet. It tastes good and contains a high amount of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. High fiber content improves your digestion that can aid in the weight loss process. To make chia pudding, add almond milk or any other dairy-free milk if you're vegan in a bowl. Put chia seeds, vanilla, syrup, or any other thing for increasing flavor and mix well. Refrigerate this mixture to enjoy your cool and yummy snack. Number 9. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs contain complete protein, vitamins, and minerals. If you want to lose weight, adding eggs as a snack is a perfect decision. They can satisfy your hunger for a long period and help you to eat fewer calories. You can make them easily without much effort. It takes 9 to 12 minutes to boil your egg. You can sprinkle it with salt, pepper, or any other spices. According to research, eating 3 whole eggs per day is completely safe for healthy individuals. Number 10. Garlic and rosemary olives. Olives are low in calories and contain a high amount of antioxidants, vitamin E, iron, copper, and calcium. They are great in taste, too. You can enjoy marinated olives by heating olive oil in a pan and adding garlic to it until it turns a little brown. Lower the heat and put some thyme and rosemary in it. Add olives and mix well. Leave them for a while in a sealed container to marinate and make them more flavorful. Sprinkle some lemon or salt when eating. Number 11. Celery sticks with stuffing. Celery contains a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It is low-caloric food with a high amount of nutrients, so it can serve well as a healthy snack when trying to lose weight. You can stuff celery sticks with peanut or almond butter, or dip them in your favorite sauce as per your flavor. Number 12. Fresh fruits. A healthy snack does not mean you have to get a variety of ingredients or need a lot of time to make them. You can eat your favorite fruit as a snack between meals. By eating fruits, you can get a lot of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Grapefruit and apples are great for weight loss as they provide you with a high amount of fiber and low calories. Number 13. Keto cauliflower tots with yogurt dipping sauce. Instead of eating high-caloric starch potato tots, you can make your own healthy cauliflower tots. They contain low calories and rich in protein and fiber. For making them more healthy, you can air fry them instead of frying them in oil. By air frying, you can cut 70% of fat. Dip them in yogurt sauce for a perfect taste. Number 14. Greek yogurt with nuts and fruits. Greek yogurt's thick texture, high protein content, and lower calories make it your friend when you are on a weight loss journey. You can add your favorite fruits and nuts to give it more flavor and nutrients. Put Greek yogurt in a bowl and add some dried apricots and chopped walnuts. Your healthy and delicious snack is ready to eat. Number 15. Edamame. Edamame is a rich source of fiber, antioxidants, soy protein, and vitamins. When you are hungry and still have an hour or more until dinner, edamame comes to the rescue. It is a delicious and filling snack as it contains high fiber and protein. You can roast them with olive oil, ginger, cumin, paprika, salt, and any sauce to make them yummier. It is a vegan-friendly, healthy snack, but if you have a soy allergy, do not consume edamame. Snacking is not bad for you if you do it in moderation and make good choices while snacking. Choose satisfying and healthy snacks with less refined sugar. Try to make your snacks at home so that you know all the ingredients going inside your body. If you are buying snacks, make sure to check the label and choose sensibly. For weight loss, you do not have to starve yourself. Healthy weight loss demands sensible eating. Will you try these snacks for weight loss after watching this video? Please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.